Good morning, children. Hope you are fine. See, children, now we were going through lines and angles. Now we are supposed to start with the 5.1 exercise. Before that, we have to go through that page number 95. Try this. Okay, page number 95. Try this. See here, in the first main, I'm going to give it for the homework. Okay. See, which pair of the following angles are complementary angle? What is complementary angle? The sum of two angles must be 90 degree. Isn't it? So, you have to calculate this too, whether if it is, the sum is 90 degree exactly, then you have to say it is a complementary. If the sum is not, either it is less or it is more, it is not a complementary. You have to write like this. This may, page 95, homework. Draw the angles, okay? Page 95. Right? Page 95, the angles you have to draw it and say whether it is, you have to calculate. See, suppose 70 and 20, you will draw that. And write 70 degree plus 20 degree. So you will get 90 degrees, isn't it? Yes, it is complementary. You have to write complementary angle. I have written in short. You have to write full word. Okay. In this way, you have to draw this main. Okay. And second main, I'll show you how to do. The two sums I will do for you. The remaining third and fourth sum. Third and fourth sum. Second main. This is first main. First main full. Okay. First main full and second main third and fourth. Okay, children. So you have to do the homework and submit it on Wednesday without fail. If you submit, it is good. Otherwise, I'll mark 5 minus 5 in the coming test. I will enter each and everybody's homework here afterwards. Many parents are saying that you are neglecting the homeworks. So please see that you do the homework and submit it on Wednesday, right? When you are submitting your classwork, if there is no classwork yet, I have not sent, isn't it? So you are submitting the homework this week. I'll write here homework. First main full. All the four sums. Okay. Second main, third and fourth. Third and fourth. So now in classwork, I am going to give you the second main, first one. What is the second main heading? What is the measurement? What is the measure of the complementary angle, complement of each of the following? Each of the following angles. Each of the following angles. So first one is 45 degree. First one is 45 degree. So complementary angle. They have given one angle as 45. In the complement, it is a pair of angles, isn't it? If one angle is 45, what is the measurement of another angle? Okay. So, complementary angle must be is equal to 90 degree, isn't it? So, here, therefore, first angle is equal to 45 degree. Second angle is equal to, right here, 90 minus 45 is equal to 45 degree. So, second angle will also be 45 degree. Understand? They are given you one angle measurement. One angle measurement, that is 45. Here complementary and supplementary are the pair of angles. So one angle, if one angle is 45, what is the another angle measurement? It is 90 minus 45. That is another angle also will be 45 degree. Then second one, 65 degree. Complement angle is equal to 90 degree. So therefore, first angle is equal to 65. Second angle will be what? 90 minus 65. So 25 degree. Okay. First angle measurement, there will be one angle they are given you. First 65. The another angle, when we subtract from 90 degree, you get the number 25. Okay, when you subtract it, you get 25. That is the another angle you have to have 25 degree to make it complementary angle. Okay. Yes. Third main. In page 45 only, 95 only children, all this. Page 95 itself. The difference in the measurement, see the difference. Difference means it should be subtraction. Difference means it is subtraction. Difference in the measure of two as complementary angle. Measures of two complementary angles is 12 degree. Find the measure of angles. See, there will be two angles, you think. I'll draw small angles. Okay. These two difference will be, when you subtract, it will be 12 degree. Difference will be 12 degree. Okay. So, x, when we take the sum, x degree and y degree, it should be 90 degree. Okay. X plus y. This both should be 90 degree. You don't draw this, okay. But we are getting the difference of 12. So, x degree minus y degree, you will get 12 degree difference. So, totally how much will we get? We'll add it. See, here plus, if I have told you, nothing, no signs means if you don't have any sign, it is plus. Okay. So, x plus x is 2x. Here minus. So, plus into minus, minus. So, it will be 0 only. Okay. So, here again we will add it. 102 degree here. Okay. So, we got 102 degree. Together we have two angles. When we add two angles, we got the sum is equal to 102 degree. So, each angle how much you will have? So, x square degree is equal to 102 by 2. This one we will bring it here. So, 2 5s are 2 1s are 51 degree. The value of the x is substituted in equation 1. So, 1 x we got, isn't it? X 1. Now, the value of x, if it is x, it is 51 degree. Okay. So, another degree how much you will have? How much? The another degree you will have. Are you understanding? First, they had a difference of 12 degrees. When we add it, we got the 12 degree difference. So, 102 degree, 90 plus 12 is 102. Means the both will together we add means it will be 102 degree. So, one angle we took, one angle by calculating this here. X plus 5, that is normal equation. This is x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Then the difference of x minus y is equal to 12 degree. Right? You got plus into minus, minus only. So, we cut it off. We have cut this. That is 0. X plus x, 2x. X plus x, 2x. 90 plus 12 is 102. Okay. So, to find, we found out the x value now. Now, we have to find out the y value. Y value is equal to the sum of the complementary angle and the present angle. Okay. The value of x is substituted in equation 1. In equation 1. Equation 1. So, x degree plus y degree is equal to 90 degree. Right. So, now x value is 51, we got it. Plus y, we don't know. 90 degree. Exactly 90 we wanted. So, what we will do? Y degree is equal to 90 minus 51. 90 minus 51. Y is equal to 90 minus 51. How much you will get, children? 39 degree. So this must be 39 degree. We got it 12 degree excess? No. So we have to arrange it in a proper way. Okay. They are given the difference as 12, but we have to do it in a correct way. So we got it 30. One will be 51 degree and another angle will be 39 degree. This is Y angle. Understood? So we will go to the 5.1 exercise. Exercise. See, in exercise 5.1, find the complementary of each. See, now I have given you as x value and y value. If they have given you like this in before sums, I told you, no, like that. If it is 20 degree, the another which, how much will be there? How much of the measurement will be there for the next angle? Find the complementary. I'll give you in the next class the homework. Find the supplementary also they have given you. So, third main I'll go directly to the third main. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. So you have to find out, they have given you two angles, you have to identify the which is complementary and which is supplementary. First one, 65 degree plus and 105 degree. So 65 plus 115. Is equal to 180 degree. It is which one? Supplementary angle. It is supplementary. Second one, there are 4 sums, children. I'll do 3 sums and other 3 sums you have to do yourself in the homework. I'll give it when I'll see, I'll give it, okay? 63 and 27 degree. So 63 degree plus 27 degree is equal to 90 degree. Which, how much is it? It is, which degree ma? Which angle? Which is the angle? Complementary angle. The sum of two angles must be 90 degree. Then it is called complementary angle. Okay, it is complementary. If it is 180, supplementary. If it is 90 degree, it is complementary. Next is 112 and 68. 112 plus 68 degree is equal to 180 degree. It is which angle? Yes, supplementary angle. You have to recognize it. Supplementary angle. Okay. Fourth main. Fourth main. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Find the angle which is equal to complement. Okay. So, answer, solution. They have not given you any one measurement also to make it complement, which is equal. So, we take the angle as x only first. Okay? Let one of the angle of the complementary angle BX. X degree. So its complement B, if we take the sum, isn't it? Its complementary B 90 degree. Isn't it? So 90 degree minus X degree. You can do like this. X square, X degree 1, two angles must be there, no ma, is equal to X 90 degree minus X degree. So, X degree plus X degree is equal to 90 degree. So, 2x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, 90 minus 2 is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, two angles will be 45 degree. 45 degree. They have not given you any measurement. You have to take it as x. Both angles also x. Okay. Both angles also will be x. Okay. If one angle means x and y we would have given. One we will find out, the another we have to do it. As we have done in a previous sum, in try this, isn't it? So here no numbers are, no measurement has given here. So we will take 2x square, 2x plus x, 2x. 2x is equal to 90 degree. Both should be in complementary. So 90. 90 means each one angle should be 45 degree. Find the same angle which is equal to supplementary angle. Supplementary. So the same as usual. Solution. Both angle should be 180. When you add these both angles together, you should get both. If you add, you should get 180 degree. Isn't it? Supplement must be 180 degree. Same as usual. Let the one of the supplementary angle dx dx x degree. Okay. Its supplement is how much ma? Supplement will be 180 degree. So x is equal to x minus 180 degree. So 180 degree is equal to x plus x. 180 is equal to 2x. Okay. 180 x is equal to 180 by 2 is equal to 90 degree. So both angles should be how much? 90 degree. Finished, children? Completed? Now from your textbook, it is 9th. 7th and 8th I am skipping. Okay? This I'll give it in the worksheet, that one. Right? I have taught you, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angle, obtuse angle or right angle? It is right angle. If it is right angle, it becomes supplementary angle. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is the complementary angle greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45? See, complementary must be equal to 45 degree. Okay, it should not be greater also or lesser. If it is equally two angles, if it is 45 degree, see, I calculated, no? If two angles are equal to 45 degree, then it becomes complementary angle. Come to the 9th question. Come to the 9th question here. See, first, in the adjoining figure, in the adjoining figure, you have to draw the figure also, children. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 4, 5. Okay? A, B, C, D. Okay? Then this comes E. Okay? Here is angle 1 and adjacent to angle 2. Adjacent. It is joined. See here. Okay. Yeah. See, is this, if it is like this, I have drawn in another chalk piece. See. So, this is one angle and this is another angle. So, in adjoining, there should be 3 angles, isn't it? So, this is non-supporting of angle, non-arms, non-common arms. Non-common arms, this is common arm. C is a common. A to A, B. This is O, we will consider this is O. A, O, E and AOE is non-common arms and AOC and COA. This is C is common arm. Is it adjoining? Yes, it is adjoining. First, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Yes, you're right. Yes, it is adjacent. Okay. Next question. Angle AOC is adjacent to AOE? No. AOC, it is not adjacent. Okay. AOC, AOE is adjacent to ACE like this. Okay. So, AOC is not adjacent to AOE. See. Is this adjacent to this? No. AOC is adjacent to COE. Right. It is not adjacent to AOE. Okay. Second question. Is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? So, right answer, no, it is not adjacent. No, it is not adjacent. Okay. Third, do angle COE and angle EOD form a linear pair. Form a linear pair. See, what they are saying, COE, see, COE and EOD. EOD form a linear pair. COE and EOD. See, this. Here you see, no, dark, I am darkening this. COE and EOD. See, it becomes like this. Okay. So, yes, it is forming a linear pair. Yes, it is forming, it forms linear pair. Next, fourth. Are angle BOD and angle DOA supplementary? Supplementary. Angle BOD, BOD and DOA, DOA. Does it forms a supplementary? Yes. See here. It is supplementary angle. It is more than 180 degrees, isn't it? It is exactly 180 degree. See here, I'll show you. Are you cleanly seeing now? See, it is forming a supplementary. It is having 180 degree. Yes. Yes, it is supplementary. Then other two is there. I will show you. Fifth. Is one vertically opposite to 4. Is angle 1 vertically opposite to 4. Opposite to angle 4. Yes. It is vertically opposite. See, 1 is opposite to 4. Sixth one. What is the vertically opposite angle of 5? What is the vertically opposite of 5? Vertically opposite of 5. Angle 5. See, angle 5 is here, 1. Vertically opposite is angle 2 and angle 3. They both join together to make the vertically opposite. Okay. Answer is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5 is angle 2 and angle 3. They both join together to make vertically opposite of 5. Okay, I'll stop here. Okay, children. So, we'll meet you in the next class, children. By next class, I'll complete all this. Other 2 sums are there. 2-3 sums are there. So, we will finish it as soon as possible and finish the geometry only, children. Okay. So, until then, revise all this and I will be back soon. Okay. Have a nice day, children.